Hi everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In today's video we're going to take a closer look at this new Netherlands away jersey for this World Cup 2022. I lent this one customized with Gapko number 26 on the back, as well as the World Cup patches of Qatar 2022. I bought this one from 5Boundless.com. Check the link in the description down below to find out who the seller is. Before we check this one out, also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss any review video. It is the Nike fan version, so now let's check this one out. New Netherlands away jersey. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I truly think this one is really amazing. I like the blue colors for the Netherlands away jerseys, so it's really amazing. Also the combination with orange is really cool as well. In the next clip I'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss any review video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.